1965 Ford Econoline pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. A little customization done to this one. Be a fun one for your local car shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. All right, first of all, as you can see, this would be the optional 5-window cab. And it does have the 240 inline 6-cylinder, which I believe would have also been an option back in 1965. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front on this one. And of course, the headlight surrounds. If you take a peek through this lower chrome grille, you're going to notice a big horn back there. This does have an air horn on it, which is awesome. We'll give it a little blow when we get inside, start it up, let you hear it run. It does have an onboard compressor to run it too. As you can see, a little streamlined look up front there with the wiper arms and blades removed. And we're going to get into some other customized things in this in just a little bit. First of all, check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it, truck for every angle, and that can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on some Hankook radial tires. As you can see, a 5-spoke chrome mag. Kind of that old classic Hot Wheels look. And then look over here on this side. Utility bed. I don't believe you could get that on this one back in 1965. And you can kind of see how it's custom built in. Batteries actually have been relocated to right here. There's a battery disconnect there, as you can see. Otherwise, some nice storage compartments on it. And the bed also finished off nicely. It's one of those, if you want to use to advertise a business, put your logo, some vinyl on the side of it, what have you, use it for parades. Be a fun vehicle, no doubt about that. And again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Sorry about the focus there. Sometimes in this bright red color, it gets a little shiny and the focus goes in and out a little bit on the camera. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive for you, so show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. We're also going to start it up, let you hear it run. Of course, the engine bay would actually be kind of the center rear of the cab. So you can check that out in the still pictures. We'll start it up and let you hear it run. A few notes from the technician on this one. Heater does work. Brakes straight, drives out nice. 80% in the front, 70% in the rear as far as brakes that are left. Wheel cylinders are good. Minor powertrain weeps. Nothing out of the ordinary. If you like these vehicles that maybe you just don't see every day, for instance, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see paint shows well. I mean, it looks as good in person as it does the pictures in the video. Practically looks wet. You might find a small imperfection here or there, but overall, they're few and far in between. All right, I believe the pickup was made from 65, 66, and 67, if I remember right. Then I don't know if they did it again after that. You Econoline experts, E-100 experts out there, let us know. Cool interior, 2-tone seats with the red piping. Nice chrome overlay around the dash gauges. Aftermarket stereo. All right, so let's go ahead and fire this up. Just like that, it's running. There is a manual choke. I don't know if I can kind of show you. It's down here in front of this engine cage right here. Parking brake, of course. Now you can hear that air compressor is running. So we're going to go ahead and turn that off. That's the actual air compressor switch, obviously. As far as the horn, this button right here. Like I said, it's got a big horn for a little truck. Kind of cool though. Again, you'll catch some attention at your car shows, your parades, what have you. Looks like the stereo is powered up. Again, I have not played around with this one that much. There we go. Let's see what we get. Radio. So we can search out of stations. Yeah, it looks like the radio is working fine.
By Johann Strauss Jr., we have been celebrating Herr Strauss.
Well, this is a smooth runner. See, painted to match. Dash. Like an aftermarket. Rear view mirror, LED lighting. Headliner good. And literally that engine is running right there. It is smooth. Check out that engine bay in the still pictures. It's going to be the easiest. Let's listen. Pretty smooth and quiet. Definitely one you're not going to see every day. 1965 Ford Econoline pickup. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving something different, a 1965 Ford E-100 cab over design. If you look ahead, right down over that cliff, the road's right there. Very fun to drive for that reason. You kind of get a whole different look at the world, and you can see the whole world. The wraparound windows are working great, allowing the visibility. We got a little bit of traffic. Turn signals both working. We have a radio in the dash. That is also working well from Audio Drift. Alright, this is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive. We even have a suicide knob right here, which enhances its ease of drivability. This truck, also known as an Econoline, is very unique, having the bed all behind. The engine is between the seats. There's a little bit of storage behind the seats as well. Now we're not equipped with wipers. They've chosen the caps as kind of a la street rod style on this truck. The fan works for the blower motor for heat. Speedometer appears to be working. Might be reading a little slow. It says 35. I feel like maybe we're doing a little faster than that. The fuel gauge reads a little over half of a tank. The temperature gauge is right about cold. We'll see if that comes up. We've only been running a short while. A wide view rear view mirror and a dome on the side view mirror. That all helps for visibility in your mirrors as well. Great looking truck. Red paint, contrasting well with the black. A little bit of chrome in the dash. Black carpet, black headliner. Very well done. Brakes are working nicely, very smooth. But for a creak here and there that you expect from a 60s vehicle, just gives it character. There's a fuel pump switch right here. Make sure that is on while you're running and before you start it. Corners very well. So easy to drive. And you just feel like the open road is right there to meet you. Take a look at all the pictures of this 65 Ford E-100 at uniqueclassiccars.com.